This is where you get a little bit of the differences in the G87 or M2 rather than the G80s or G82s. So we've got this cover over the top of the brace itself. So you've got these little expanding plastic rivets. That's where you want to take a plastic trim tool and pull up the center pin, and then you can pull 1, 2, and 3 and pull these out. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the other side when it's up. But you pull those 3. Now you've got this connector right here that comes underneath. You're going to unlock your cover, and there's a cover also on the other side. But you can see this side has the hose on it. So you're going to pull the hose free as we do this here, just like that. Okay, so then this hose will then slip out, and the hose will slip off, and then the cover will come off. But this cover itself is, you can also see, is pinned down by this cable right here. There's a cable that comes up and connects right here to the top of your strut tower with your electronically controlled dampers, right? So what I find, instead of unplugging all of that, when you pull all of these, you can kind of tip the cover up and tip it back up and out of the way like it is over on this side, as you can see.